Okay, and hello to my first ever video with Cactus Exiled. I'm here with some friends to play some shitty Minecraft like everybody else during quarantine. Let's start this. What? You don't like it?
No,
That was very
no.
boring.
I'm laughing at the
You should have muted for that. I didn't want to hear that. That was very cringy.
Oh, you're so mean to me.
Hey, he wants to buy you more Wi-Fi.
I tried to do an intro and it was really bad.
Stop being a bully.
Like, it was way worse than that. It was like 20 times worse.
Whose?
Like, I'm not even posting a video because of that.
I'm posting this video, so get ready to be my Minecraft.
Yeah, I'd probably be in it if I could actually load in.
Oh my.
If anything, we can play Among Us.
We
Because I
can.
know that'll work for you.
Sure,
We can
sure.
play Among Us.
very
I'm
true.
down.
Ooh.
Wait, where's your house? I can give you the stuff, Shaman.
Bro, let's play
Are you
some
at your
Among
house?
Us.
I know
I'll
your
play
house is,
Among
never mind,
Us.
but-
I am not at my house. I'm in the swamp near my
Ah, there's a
house.
fucking there's a magma slime on your bridge. Oh my lord, there's a magma slime on your highway, bro.
Just ignore it.
I can't ignore it when it's attacking me.
Just
Hello?
ignore it.
Magma?
Okay.
I'm stuck. Oh my lord, I'm stuck in the wall. Help. Help. Help.
Hey, Jay.
It's nearly daytime.
Guys, help me.
Is Dina joining?
Such a bad place.
Yeah.
Bro, are we gonna play Among Us or no?
I want a sec. I gotta deliver items. Who's in the house?
Oh,
that?
shit! I'm here, motherfuckers.
Oh shit! It's your
We're
boy.
gonna play Among Us in a
Yeah,
bit.
I'm
Do you wanna
not in
join
my
us?
house.
What are you doing?
No, we're going
just
on
in here.
Hypixel to play zombies.
Okay.
I'll play
Stay
zombies.
safe.
Sorry.
We can do
Stay
both.
safe. It's okay.
Is it on Hypixel?
Yeah, I mean, I guess we could do both. Yeah. Zombies is on.
Okay, Jerry, I'll
We always
join
have
you.
time for
How do I
Hypixel
add
later
people?
tonight. Do you?
Yeah, like FaceTime and such, or whatever you do. Watch Netflix.
Yeah, I'll just
Yeah.
go to
I
only
watch
play for
Netflix.
like 40
Yeah, we
minutes.
know you do.
I'm going to.
How do I
The
add
shaman
people?
can only play for like 40 seconds.
Wait.
Guys, I'm so stuck. I am so stuck.
Where are you?
I'm
You're
on
on
the
the
I'm
bridge.
on the bridge, guys. I'm so stuck, guys.
bridge?
Oh my lord.
Another
Why
bridge?
are you in the fucking nether?
Cause I'm trying to
Together.
get to Wolf.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'll help you.
Oh my lord. What's that? Oh,
I
B,
wanna
J.
go.
So you guys kind of joined
Yeah,
like
I'm
in
at
a
my
random
house.
at the moment.
Okay.
I
Wait,
am
is Austin
recording. Is that okay with you
Yeah,
guys?
yeah.
Because I can cancel it.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
are you
what are
like
the numbers
live
right now.
recording?
No,
or
I'm not
you're
live.
like...
I'm not live.
Okay, as long as you can cut out shit, I don't care.
Actually,
Yeah.
go the other way.
You
Go this
guys,
way.
you guys like kind of
Hey,
popped
B.
in after I asked everybody else.
Yeah, I popped in because I noticed there was so many people in here, and I was like, what the fuck are you
Hey,
doing?
Jay.
No,
Yeah,
I
I
couldn't
just-
get my live
Step
stream to work.
Dream, what are you doing?
I just randomly joined too.
Jay, what are the numbers
Yeah,
after
Jay
your name?
totally just randomly joined. You totally didn't follow me.
No, of course not.
I'm stuck.
Turn. Turn the other way.
Just go around. Kill it.
No, oh my god. Just get out of the boat. Get out of the boat.
Get me out of this damn boat.
Now place it over here.
What are the numbers after your name?
No.
No, it's really far. You have to place it.
No.
It's really far.
Wait, Austin,
Am I just
why
gonna
did you ask if I
continue
was
to try and join
if you're
Craft War?
Didn't you want stuff?
It's really far. You should.
what
I
stuff?
do want stuff, but
I'll
you say you wanna
bounce.
stream?
I'll bounce
Oh,
over
yeah,
there.
the stream. Yes, please.
When B stops talking.
But no, I couldn't get my live stream to work. It was being rude because I was doing it on Java instead of like my normal Bedrock and everything, and I just didn't want to. Stop it!
I'm helping.
Ah, thank you. Now how do I get out of here? I can never remember.
Okay, follow me. I'm gonna go slow for you, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I like that.
I mean, I kind of like it a little bit fast.
Okay, perfect. Good to know.
Whoa. Slow down a little bit, please.
Did you keep up?
1 sec. I'm usually not standing up.
Hello?
Welcome. Who was that?
I don't know if I should take
It's
this out of
Oh, it's
control.
Ree.
Oh, Ree, what happened to your hair? You really let yourself go.
So tired. I am so tired. There's toner in.
How
Why
long?
do I only have half a heart?
I've been doing this for 6 hours.
Mob's probably been
6
attacking you when
hours?
you were
No, not really.
Wolf,
just
where are
sitting
you?
there.
Oh my
4 hours.
god. I was about to fucking say.
I'm heading back to spawn.
I have
because
no
I'm
idea.
Who's
third
here?
base.
Who's right?
New people.
Right
Yeah,
in
there's a
there.
new person in here, Ree.
Hi.
Bunny, do you have sugarcane outside your house?
We almost kicked them off, but Austin would love.
Yeah, I have sugarcane.
Okay, then I found it.
Every
Woof!
single time
Oh,
my
I've
stuff
missed
floats,
you.
I get, can a
Hello.
mob just
Hi.
kill me so that way I at least spawn at my...
Why are you going back to spawn?
How much is left here?
Under trust.
I was about to do that. Like, please help my man.
Okay, I just came to say hi.
Did you see how quick I was to it?
Wait, Reed. How long do you have left?
No, this is for...
I have to
Do you
have
have-
this shit in my hair for like another 25
have,
minutes and I'm rinsing.
Wait.
Apparently,
Oh,
my
here's
game
the string
Oh,
for you.
to stay at my...
You don't got that long left.
Because
Huh?
like earlier today, I literally was
Thank you.
just at my
Oh,
house the
Jesus
whole
You're
time.
just doing the underside?
I'm fine. Oh, I died. Thank
Oh
you.
my god.
Thank
Like,
oh,
How much
Oh,
I
okay.
can't even
do you
respawn.
Don't know.
Thank
Do you have a chest that you
When
could...
you're whispering to Austin,
I can make
everybody's
one real
talking.
quick.
When V doesn't
Wait,
whisper to
did
me.
I literally die and respawn? And then respawn.
Oh. I stole your chest thinking it was mine.
Here. I have a chest.
It won't even let me respawn.
No, I'm in your e-chest.
Oh,
Do you have a chest for...
just put it in that.
Shaman? He can have that. This is his.
Okay.
There you
It
go.
won't let me
Just-
respawn, guys.
Oh,
Ow.
Sorry.
What's this book?
Unbreaking 3.
Oh, cool.
Shaman gave it
There's
to
a
me.
parrot? Oh my lord, hello! Look at you!
Are you at
Get
my
off my
parrot?
horse.
Guys, there's a parrot!
Get
Guys!
off my horse.
That was so loud.
Look at him!
God, I love you, Cactus, but your stuff's really loud.
There's a parrot! Get out of my way,
Your
you're blocking the
mic's
view.
really loud.
It's because it's a quality mic.
Oh, it's because you're in the school.
It's actually probably because it's hella close to me.
Does anyone want iron? I have 35
Look
iron
at this.
blocks.
Oh, I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
May I have all 35?
I didn't mean to hit it. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you can't have all
Oh
35.
my god, imagine hitting the poor parrot.
I'm not 5.
Sorry, bird.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You keep it.
Okay.
What's up, Wilson?
Did you just hit
Oh
the
wait, it
parrot for me?
wasn't tame?
hey,
Can we
No.
give it a
Wait,
cookie?
it wasn't tame? I
No.
thought it was I thought it was somebody's parrot. I was trying to
is
feed
this
it so it
yours?
didn't die.
No, I didn't know whose
Wait.
parrot it was. It was just here.
That's
What are you
yours.
doing,
I
Wilson?
thought it was just a random parrot. I'm so sorry.
Wilson,
Cause
what are you?
parrots spawn here?
That's yours.
Wait,
What
Yeah,
are
it's
you
a
There's a
doing?
jungle
This parrot.
No, I don't have a skin.
Wolfman, don't make me.
Look, cactus. Look, there's another one.
Do you have seeds?
Did
I don't
you
have
just throw
seeds.
that at me?
Come here.
Oh.
There's another one.
I can barely
Here
hear
you
you.
go,
Everybody's
Wilson.
talking over you.
It's right
one?
here. No, that was
Which-
mine. That was mine.
Alright,
The
I guess
other
I'll
one.
keep
This
it.
one.
Hey, Dirt, wait, is
Hey,
Dirt on?
Birdie, do you want some edibles?
Oh, that's lucky. Stop.
I do.
Do you want some edibles?
Bam. Ban.
No,
Ban.
don't.
It was
feed
on
the
accident.
birds
I didn't mean
fast.
to.
Ban.
Like, out the
Ban.
block from where
B, I'm sorry. B.
She killed my
Shaman.
fucking
Jay, can you
bird!
teleport
That
me
was
back
your
to
bird?
the
Killed my
watch
fucking
from there?
bird!
I'm sorry. I did not mean to kill
What
the
did you
bird.
say? Well,
I'm like
She
1,000
killed my
blocks from there.
fucking
Can you please
bird,
TP me?
yo!
I did not mean
B,
to kill
I'm
your
teleport.
banning
bird.
you. I'm
B,
banning you.
teleport
Killed
Wolfman
my
to
fucking
me.
bird.
I did not
B,
mean
teleport
to.
Wolfman to me.
Bunny, did you say my name?
Yeah,
When
Jay.
Cactus
What's
really
your
hates you, that she
coordinates to your
kills your
house?
bird.
It was on.
Wow,
It was
imagine.
on
Hold
accident.
up.
It was on accident.
Quit talking over you,
Hey,
Bunny.
B, do you have stuff in your inventory right now?
Where are the other
Wolfman,
birds? I
Wolfman.
want
Yeah.
the bird. I did not mean to
How
kill your
much?
bird.
Give me all your stuff right now, Wolfman. Don't
Come
touch
down here. There's a gray one.
me. Wolfman,
Can you guys
don't
be
test
quiet
me.
for a second? I'm trying to hear Bunny.
Oh yeah.
Can you speak,
What's
Bunny?
the
He took all my
What's the-
seeds and didn't love me.
Are you trying to figure out my
He's
coordinates?
flying away.
Yeah.
Get back on my shoulder. Nobody told you to get
Hold
off
up.
my
Let me
shoulder.
try to do
Go
this.
away.
I'm kidding, Wolfman.
He took
Is
them
it
all
the
again.
XYZ? Is that the coordinates?
How many birds does this
Yeah, it
bird
is.
want? Seeds is
It says
He's high maintenance.
366, 63, and negative
Oh wow, look at
630.
that. He loves you.
Okay.
Why do you want
Where
to
is
know
it?
if I have stuff in my inventory, Austin?
What?
I mean, I don't have anything important, but my bird's not gonna follow me, is it? I just realized that my bird's not gonna follow me.
Where's Wolfman? Not Wolfman, I'm Rise.
Austin, I'm gonna keep my bird at your place. Take good care of it.
Keep it at my place, B.
I can't. It's too far away. I can't teleport. The
B,
bird's
keep
not
it to
gonna
My
follow
my
me.
bird's at my
place.
place.
I'm going to your house right now, Shaman.
Why?
Dude, it's IKEA bird, dude.
I'm
It's
gonna rob
epic.
you.
You're gonna rob me?
Don't rob
Yeah.
him.
Okay, let me get some poison arrows made first.
Oh god. I don't know where your house is, to be honest.
Okay, good.
I'll find
Where's
it.
my bird?
I found it.
Yes, follow me, tweet tweet.
You found it.
Yeah.
Hey Jay, I have a gift
My
for you.
house.
I could just
Okay,
smell the drugs.
my bird is sitting up on this tower. Awesome.
Jay, why are you attacking me? No, stop, Jay. Stop, Jay. Jay, if you kill me, I swear, I just made this diamond armor. Jay, stop.
It's okay. You can't do shit.
Murder at its finest.
Oh,
My
I wasn't gonna
so many
actually kill
chickens.
him. How many hearts were you?
I had 3 left.
Oh, okay, good. I wasn't gonna hit you anymore. No, I know it's
Why are there so many
3 hits
chickens?
and then the 4th when you die.
Wasn't gonna hit you no more, but he would've. I saved your life.
I would never hit Shaman again.
Austin!
Me
I
and
forgot
Shaman had an
about the
intense.
sign! Austin!
Me and Shaman had an intense situation last night.
Hey, yo, since there's some new people in here that I don't know if you guys have read the Java chat, because it's not in the spawn house yet, you guys aren't allowed to fuck with the end. I just want a heads up on that.
Yeah, no.
Wait, if what?
No end, no
You guys
boundaries.
aren't allowed to go near the fucking end.
Is it the same in Bedrock or no?
I don't know about Bedrock. That's not my domain. I'm the
Yeah.
Java op, not the Bedrock op. I just know you guys aren't.
B, look at this. B, look at the sign. So, for all of you guys that don't know, story time. I cracked my
I
bumper
know
because I
that.
hit
You ran into a fucking trash can.
a dumpster. A dumpster. I cracked my
A
bumper.
dumpster.
hitting
It's
it up.
still a trash can.
And I've also no, I was on a delivery one time, right?
Maybe.
And I wasn't paying attention to a car, and like I side scraped the entire car, and I never sped away
Hey,
faster
Shaman.
in my life.
I will
Oh.
clear your fucking inventory.
Yes.
I got a gift for you. Look at me.
I'm clearing your
hold up.
inventory slash
Please.
clear.
No, no, no,
Some
please.
more gifts. Trying to make
I
some
threw them
money.
all.
Pick them all the fuck up. Pick them up and burn them.
No, I'm putting them in my chest. I'll just leave them there.
Oh wow, you have so many potions.
No,
Yeah.
give them back.
How long
Man,
does this
Sean.
take? What? How do you collect everything so fast?
Wow.
I'm just good at
Why
making
would you feel
potions.
like that? You're the one recording.
Oh wow.
I just
Listen,
wanted
that's
to tell
love.
you guys that because there are people in here. And it's
They
not
know.
on
Okay, wait.
spawn.
I
You
asked
ready
them
for your
first.
gifts?
Yeah.
Turn around. Turn around.
They were
I
in
just
here
wanna
before
make sure
you
you're
and
happy.
they were in here before you and
If
Jay
you
joined, and I
backstab
asked
me,
them
I won't be
first
too
because I
happy.
couldn't get my live stream
There you
for
go.
it.
You,
This one got a little cursed. I'm making a new one actually.
Why
Okay.
is my hunger going down so easily in this?
Do you
Hey, B.
need a
I
saddle?
mean, cactus. Right click the bed.
I need a saddle.
But did you do it? Did it say respawn set?
How do you craft
Yes,
a
sir.
saddle?
Don't kill me.
You can't.
You can't craft a saddle.
You either fish them or you find one in a temple.
Oh.
Here you go. Or like a chest. It's random chest.
Did you
Hey,
respawn?
Cactus. Hey, Cactus, you want?
And
I
I'm
hate
getting
you,
weak.
Austin.
Hey, Cactus, do you want to go somewhere for your live stream? For your video?
Like I brought the gift for you.
Kinda. That was kind of the point. I really only got my shitty intro done.
Wait, I can't.
Don't
Okay,
laugh.
can't
here you
craft.
go. Search
I'm
TP Cactus to here. Have fun.
It won't let me make like actual buildings.
B, where am I? B, where am
You
I?
just need wheat. I need some wheat.
B, where
Wait,
am I?
where is that?
Hello.
Don't question us.
Here, guys.
Start your series right there. It's
Where?
call it Steve Irwin's survival series.
Steve Irwin.
Survival chat.
Steve
Can you not-
Irwin's.
Can you not fucking tame this motherfucker?
It won't let me. I can't even feed it wheat.
I'm trying to share
What are
my
you trying to
screen so you
tame?
guys can see where I'm
Here,
at.
give me a little wheat. I
Skeleton.
want to try it.
Oh,
A
don't show
skeleton
them where
horse?
you're at. No, don't show them where you're at.
Why?
I
Wait, a
have that
skeleton
like
horse, you
so
said?
I don't. Nobody knows where that shit's at yet.
Did
Nothing's
anybody have
loading.
Everyone's just barging into my.
Oh, guys, this is not good. This is not good.
Dude, why are you trying to
Okay,
steal
sorry,
from me,
my
Jake? Where are you
stuff
at?
wasn't loading correctly, so I had to
Austin,
go
can I have
back.
more melons?
Yeah,
Bro,
won't let me
Bro,
do
grow
it.
your own melons.
My bird is
Do I
here
make a-
with me, B.
do I make a
My
new one?
bird is here.
Stop killing it! Goddamn, Jake. Oh my
No.
god.
B, where am
No.
I? Where in the
It's
Jesus
hurt. Kill it.
is this related to Spawn?
Oh no.
Don't glitch, don't glitch, don't glitch.
Oh.
Come on, stop.
What do you mean? I can't hear you over everyone else. My ADHD is too bad.
Okay, why are you guys scaring my parrot?
B, my
Sean,
parrot's
I'm
with
putting
me.
it-
I don't know
I'm
where I
putting it in
am.
this chest.
Oh
What?
my Jesus.
Hey, you wanna come back home?
Oh, thank you.
I'll come back home with you.
It's not from me, it's from Austin.
One sec.
Thanks, Austin.
Actually, Wolf,
Oh,
we
yeah,
could.
the-
Money
Welcome.
for being the
Wolf.
delivery woman.
Wolf, I found the place to
Yeah,
build our
probably.
house. I found the place.
Thank you for delivering.
I already found the place.
You're not really supposed to build that far away from town. If you choose to, it's up to you. But if something happens to your
Why?
house,
Thank
like
you very
somebody
much,
finds it and
Bunny.
griefs it, I'm not gonna be able to tell you who did it.
I only made my farm so far away because
Shaman, I feel bad. I can't
it's
tame this
laggy.
horse
This
for you.
is not your house. Most of your shit's in our house. It is not there.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm trying to kill the horse.
House.
Sorry.
Yeah,
like if
B.
your
Do
stuff
not
gets
hit my
stolen.
pets,
I'm not
please.
trying to be rude. I'm saying like I don't know. Like it's kind of
I'll
hard
give you
to
another.
watch that because I'm in town.
Oh,
I
have
watch
there
the
been
townhouses
griefing
from-
on the server before?
B, can you
Like,
bring me home?
Yes, there's been stealing. There's been stealing on the server.
B, can you
Yeah.
bring
Do
me
you want to TP to?
home?
I'll TP him to
That's
Jake.
we're
why I
gonna
said
have
that.
auto
I
farms,
prefer.
like infinite shit.
We're
so
making this pet
everyone
outside,
should-
Shaman. Come on.
You can do it.
Is-
Austin
We're
doesn't
making
make an
what?
auto farm somewhere
putting the
else
pet
and bring
outside.
shit home.
Bro,
Is-
Shaman, can I put my
is
Minecraft bed
Jake
next to
and,
yours?
Cactus living together.
Well,
I
I'm gonna
can
be
TP
making a
them.
giant base, so I need like somewhere away
Why did you
from
do
all
this,
the
Jay?
houses.
I thought you'd like him.
Is my B with me? Is my
He's
not
trying
my
to kill
B?
me.
Is
Oh,
my
okay.
My
Why would I
B,
like it if it's trying to
step
kill me?
B.
If it teleported with you to the other place, it should be around here somewhere.
bro? I don't.
Damn, that
Think...
took a lot of hits.
Yes, because they're tanks.
Yeah, but I was using a netherite sword. I thought that would be faster.
It's
Oh, wait,
still.
I need to go back. Shit.
Oh, hey, I have 2 saddles now. They drop saddles.
Oh, okay, you're welcome. I'm trying to get you a pet. Just calm down.
Bunny, where did you go?
Oh, I'm doing your farm.
Thank you
I
very
can
much.
find Blackstone in the basalt deltas, right?
Okay, I'm gonna-
You can find Blackstone anywhere in the Nether.
Bunny, where are you? I'm gonna
Yeah,
come to you. Where are you?
There is like some that spawns.
She's at
in
I'm
my
in Shaman's
right?
house.
Where's that?
It's actually pretty close to spawn.
Yeah. You can come see my house if you want.
Oh Jesus! Hello, where am I? Hello, hello. Where am I?
Okay, I got a few options for you, Shaman.
Yeah, move.
Got a
Boop.
few what?
Few pet options for you.
Oh no.
Oh, why not inside?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hello, I got teleported here? Question mark.
Ew, imagine looking like wait.
Oh, hi, welcome.
Shaman, move away. Shaman, move away. Okay.
Oh,
So this pet,
that's about to die.
do you not want it?
Oh, it's gonna die.
But
It needs water.
Shaman.
you can put water on him.
I'm back at Austin's base.
Do you want him?
Yes.
Okay.
Where do you want me to
But she
put
didn't
your
respond.
stuff?
I'm
Bunny,
at
I'm
Austin's
trying to
base.
give Shaman
You can put
gifts,
it in
Bunny.
this
Don't make me
chest
kill
right
you.
here.
I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
any of these two chests.
Okay. What about this pet?
Don't kill Bunny. Don't kill.
Oh. Don't look. Don't
I
look.
tried.
Don't look. Okay. What about this pet? Don't look.
Are you referring to yourself, Jay?
Okay. What about this pet?
I love it, Jay.
Oh my
Protect
god. Okay. Name it Wolfman.
At all costs, I shall protect you.
Thank you.
B, can you? Oh my lord!
I'm
You know what? I don't need to be teleported. I'm gonna find my way back to y'all.
Okay. What about this pet too? What do you think?
You
This
have
one's one
fun
of my
trying to
favorite.
find us from Austin's house.
No, I got this. I got this. I
Jay,
got
The
this.
dolphin. If
Jay?
I built a
Do you
space
want our
for it,
Yes.
coordinates?
Yes, B.
I don't
Hey,
appreciate
the
that
donkey
Jay has
inside.
killed me.
Which one of you has beef with Jay?
Me.
I don't.
I have beef with Jay.
I don't have beef with Jay.
Oh,
He just
shoot.
gave me-
Shoot. Help.
Jesus,
help,
where the
help.
fuck am I?
You're back
Kill
at
him.
my place.
Kill him.
No, no.
Chase him. Chase
No.
him. Chase him.
He's literally has so much.
Shaman, here's your next
Me,
pet. This is
I
your...
have
Shaman,
nothing.
what are you doing? I give you pets.
Oh.
Wait, I had one more pet for Shaman.
Okay.
B, can you
No.
teleport me to them?
You
Oops,
just cleared
wrong
my
person.
inventory.
Wrong person, Wolf. My bad. Your name pops up before
Oh no.
mine and it pisses me
Oh
off.
no.
There you
Oh
go.
no.
Thank
Oh
you.
no. Oh
Wait,
no.
what do you
Get
mean
him.
wrong person?
Oh
Did you
no.
mean to kill me?
Oh no.
What's wrong? Wait, what's wrong?
My
Are
game
you talking about the
crashed.
dolphin? Here,
Are
I'll
you
let the
dying?
dolphin-
Are you
Yeah.
underwater? Are you drowning?
Yeah, I might
I don't know how to
drown.
get the dolphin.
I'm literally watching you drown. I watched you die.
No.
Oh,
Why were you
no,
drowning? Wait,
I
what
need a
just
weapon to
happened?
defend
There's a
myself.
slime.
I
There's a magma slime. Help.
was trying to get a fish.
Wait, how did you do this? This chest aren't combined.
Are you gonna start living with the shaman? You're here a lot.
Oh my god, Shaman and Bunny? Well,
Am I
Oh my
there?
god. Are you guys dating like Bad and Crow behind her?
No.
Why is there
oh
a
my
dolphin? The
god, I
dolphin's
knew
gonna
it.
suffocate.
No,
The
yeah.
dolphin will be fine.
Look at B. Look at it. Is that my...
No,
Who poisoned
are you
me?
poisoning
I just
the
used one
dolphin?
of my
Who
splash
poisoned
potions.
me?
Did you seriously
Hey,
just
he's-
take one of my splash potions without paying for it?
Jay,
Oh, I'll pay for it
was
later,
that
don't
you?
worry.
You
It was funny.
absolute asshole.
The donkey's
was
poisoned. Feed
I
it milk.
didn't do shit.
Feed it milk.
Jay, you
Oh
such
gosh,
a
don't let it die.
dick.
Don't let Wolfman die, please.
Did you get my presents, Shaman?
I mean, don't let me die. I'm nowhere
That's
near
what we
you
named
guys.
that's what we named the donkey.
Such a dick. I hate you, Jay.
I hate
B,
you
Hold on,
guys.
let me make a splash potion of healing.
you fucking
You guys named
poisoned
the
me.
donkey
B,
Wolf,
bring me
man.
back home, please. I hate this. This
What's
recording.
home?
Where you are. Home is with B. I hate this. This recording's going awful.
Hold
I'm
on.
not gonna post it.
No, what do you mean?
Wait, hold
Everybody on
on.
YouTube's gonna like
I'll
me.
take you to my home. This recording is a mess. None of this was gonna happen. You just
Can I
kind
go
of
back?
popped in here.
Can you take cactus to my
Oh, B,
Are
can I
you
stay with
sure?
you?
Yeah. All my
That didn't heal
valuables.
anything.
See,
Hopefully
she
it
loves
healed the
me.
donkey.
She loves
Hopefully,
me.
did it?
Oh, he's got like half health.
Okay. You have all that hay I gave you, don't you?
Oh no.
Yeah, that should heal him as well, right?
Oh no.
Yeah, I should.
I have a 2 liter of Mountain Dew.
Is it?
Oh no.
Are you
I
sure,
think so.
Bunny?
Let me
Because you
check.
told me
Yeah,
before
he's
you
full
would
health
prefer
now.
people not
Okay,
knowing where
good.
you're at, so I'm gonna
I just
ask
wanted
you
to
one
kill
more time
Cactus
before I
with you.
do it. Can you guys
It's
let me hear
fine.
Bunny for a second?
No.
Yes.
It's fine. All my stuff is in my chest. Like all my important stuff. Oh wait.
Okay. Tell me.
Yes.
I'm broken.
Sorry, you guys are a little bit louder than her microphone, so I could not hear her over all of you guys, and it was pissing me. I couldn't focus on it with my ADHD. I was hearing all of you but her, and I was trying to focus on her.
I always have Bunny on max volume.
I have her
So
on
do
max
I.
volume too, and I still can't hear her.
I'm sorry.
But
I'm
I
just
don't have
quiet.
anybody else turned down, so
Oh wow, when B has me turned down all the way.
no, I have nobody turned down.
When B won't put me back in
I'll be right
creative.
back.
When you won't tell me you love me.
So we're playing zombies, right, guys?
Oh
I'll play zombies. Just let me know when.
How do I play zombies?
Man, I really.
You
You
gotta get
have
on
to go to
Hypixel.
Hypixel.
What is Hypixel and
Shaman,
how do I
Doing it
get there?
now?
It's a
It's
server.
a
You need to
server.
How does
Here,
just
do you
look
want
Look
me
it
to
up
just
on
look it up.
Google.
I'll
Look
give
up
you the
Hypixel.
Hypixel thing.
Look up Hypixel on
No.
Google, Cactus, and then it should be the first link.
I'll
You
just
click
tell you
that,
what
and then
it
click
is.
play
It's
now.
easier that way instead of making her do all that wolf. Like, it's easier for someone just to tell her the server.
Okay.
Why would we
Wait,
try to
Yeah,
send for
Shaman.
through?
Austin has weed.
Okay,
How
go
fucking
to
Does any
the
of y'all got
thing.
go?
sunglasses?
I'm in the server
I
address.
do.
Okay.
I got.
Okay,
Oh,
are you at the
no.
server thing, Cactus?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll join.
Okay, type in
Austin has
MC
weed and
dot
cookies.
wolf. I love you, but please don't attack this list.
MC
Yes, Jay.
MC dot and then Hypixel is spelled HY and then pixel PIXEL.net.
That it?
Net. And
Dot
then
net.
what's the is that the server address?
Okay.
Yeah, that's the server address.
If it doesn't kick me out for
MC
leaving my
dot
house.
HY
Is that why you get
pixel
kicked out?
Is
dot net.
I don't know. Like, I
Do we just
noticed
hit
that
join
every time I
server?
leave the house, it disconnects.
How
You
far do
should
you
hit
go?
done.
Let me see.
Like if you do direct to net, you can do the join server, but I do add
Like,
server.
it does it whenever I get to the swamp.
The swamp?
Yeah,
That's
the
strange.
swamp right over this ridge.
The swamp is where we have like spawn protection, right? So
Yeah.
that might be fucking with your game. You might have to avoid that whole area.
Can you guys get on
Okay.
Hypixel?
Just keep going.
Yeah.
Just go your normal route that kicks you out.
How do
The
I find
normal route that
you?
kicks me out?
Yeah, I'm following you. I want to see what happens.
Tell me. Okay, are you on Hypixel right now?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I
Cactus?
am.
Give me a
Yes,
second.
ma'am,
I
Sam,
have
I
to
am.
reload my Minecraft.
Okay.
Okay, I am on Hypixel.
Okay. Cactus X.
Seems to be going good.
Cactus,
So
can you spell
far.
the other part of your name? I know it's
Okay,
Cactus,
it's
but
right
is it
around here that it
It's
Xiled?
Yep.
Xiled.
I love when I
Swear,
ask Cactus her
it's
name
gonna
and
act
3 other
well
people
now.
tell it to me.
Okay, you didn't get kicked.
Yeah, that.
Okay. Did I send it to you, Cactus? Did you get it?
Yes, how do I
That's
accept?
where you get kicked normally?
You should be able to click
Yeah,
it.
this is the way I take normally.
I can't
Or
click
type
it.
slash.
Oh.
Okay.
Does it only
I
have
have to
a...
take my boat all the way around the
I don't
mountain to the
remember, but you can
place.
send me mine. If you can send. Oh shit.
Okay,
I don't remember
so
how you accept friend requests and Austin isn't here.
when they send it, just open up your chat and you can move it with your mouse.
Okay, I have accepted
Okay,
friend
there you go.
request.
Into your house, Jay.
Okay. I need to
Maybe...
know when we gets on.
Okay, Shaman, maybe you just need to have someone with you when you walk out of your house.
Maybe. It's probably that I'm feeding off of y'all's signal.
Yeah.
Let me know when you get on, Rebunny.
I get to
Great.
now. I now get to rinse my hair, guys.
Well, my
Yes,
name
sir.
is Rebunny yet. Rebobby.
Rebaby. I know it's Rebaby.
You died there,
Jay
Jay.
sucks at
I know.
Minecraft.
I
He
wanted to get
just
back to
died from
I
falling
still
from
need
a
to know
high
when.
place.
So what's next after that, right?
It's
When you have
loading.
Wolfman turned down almost all, he's still at us. What the fuck?
Hey, Shaman, don't drop water here, please.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Jay's
Sorry.
the second loudest.
At least I replanted, right?
Where do I stand,
Yeah.
B?
I'm
More than most
probably the
people.
quietest.
You're like in the middle.
Okay, you remember how to get down here, right?
Oh yeah,
Bro.
yeah.
We for damn sure have to play Among Us later.
Sure,
Yeah, we
do
will.
that.
Bro, y'all need to get Phasmophobia. It's supposed to be
What's going
super
on here,
spooky.
I didn't watch that shit last time. Watch it. I was
What is
Oh,
it?
yeah.
Phasmophobia.
Oh my god, that was rough. Shifts when you
Markiplier
get there.
played it.
Shift around there, yeah.
I have no idea.
It's like a ghost hunting thing.
Bunny.
But it also does that
I'm
thing with your
trying
mics that, like, if
to
you get further away from each other in the game, it sounds like you're further away in real life.
Wow.
It's what's it called?
You want a cake, Shaman?
I want your cake.
No, thank you. Oh.
You
Here you
know
go.
how Jay wanted to play zombies and he's not even on, and we're gonna all get on except for him. We're gonna start without him because he's a.
Wait, I'm giving
Separate
Shaman wood.
custody.
I'm giving Shaman glass.
I'm trying to get on. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. It's
Okay.
just Jay's on the other server and he wants to play zombies.
If you
Imagine
need anything else,
that.
Shaman, just tell me. You can take it.
Wow, look at that friend. Another
Okay.
J01 joined. Okay, slash party. Wait. Slash.
I don't even use my top house anymore, Shaman.
Oh really?
I literally like almost switched over immediately to my underground house.
That's
Okay,
great.
so what do we do now?
It's better than my top one though. You can't lie, right?
Oh yeah, it's really nice. I like it.
If you go down all the way on the ladder, you'll
Yes.
How do
you'll
we get to
see
play
If
together?
I make
my
a bridge
zombies.
from my hole to your house.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Go
I
ahead.
see a
No.
large tunnel.
What large tunnel?
Wolfman
The
doesn't
one to the left.
party, imagine.
The left. Oh, like inside the chest
Wait a
room?
second. Okay.
Yeah, that's my strip mine.
Profile.
Okay.
Party.
Haven't found that much
How do I
stuff
do
there.
it?
I've
So
only
I
found like 2 diamonds.
accepted your party, but it hasn't teleported me anywhere. Is that good? Is that bad?
Yeah, you
It's
don't
not
get
gonna teleport
teleported.
you until
Friend?
I start a
What do you
game.
mean?
I was
Okay.
waiting for Bunny.
How
Yeah,
do I
you'll
do
I
stay
it?
where
might-
you're
Get
at
on,
until
I'm
I
sorry.
do a game.
You're good, bunny. Don't worry.
Yeah, I had enough trouble
I'm just
staying
saying,
on this
like,
thing, so I don't
it won't
think I can run
teleport you. It takes you
Hypixel.
wherever the leader goes.
Yeah, Hypixel might be too strong.
How do I do it?
Yeah,
Oh,
I could
wait, guys.
Join you
try.
guys.
Oh,
Oh wait.
Oh,
Wait, you have to
Oh,
I
switch
guess
over
Wolfman's
one
not
Shaman.
joining with us because his invite
Yeah.
expired. That's
I'm
so
So my-
sad.
joining, I'm
Here,
joining.
wait.
I'm
give me
gonna put like a little
give me
book
another
somewhere
invite.
near my house, right?
Yeah.
And,
Hey, give
and
me
if anybody
another
ever wants
invite.
to take stuff, they just gotta fill out what they took.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't take anything.
Hey,
So
I know.
Yeah.
need another invite. I didn't know how to accept it, but now I do.
I might
That
want
way-
some iron.
Oh, I don't have that much. You can take a little bit.
Yeah, I saw that you only had like 2 things of it. I was like, oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Don't wanna
haven't.
get
I
greedy.
really
I'm
don't
in.
find anything when I'm mining.
Okay.
B, can I have another invite?
I noticed
Yeah,
that
sorry,
too.
I was trying to type it.
A lot of the iron that I've
okay.
gotten, I've actually had to ask
Okay,
for
I'm gonna-
because
I don't know what I'm
I
doing.
just can't find any.
Wait.
I've been on the server since day 1, and
Okay,
I
one sec.
don't even have full armor. Full
Ree,
iron
am I
armor.
spelling your name wrong? It's R-H... sorry, no, it's R-I baby, right? Or am I spelling...
It's BABBY.
Babby?
Wait. R-I-B...
A
B.
BBY.
Okay, I'm just missing another B.
I'm hoping this recording
Unless you
is
had 2 B's.
working.
It's gonna be
Okay.
good once we get everyone on. We gotta get everything started. Every
No,
YouTuber
I'm-
has the calm before the crazy.
No, I'm
I
hoping
Calm
that the
before the crazy.
recording's actually working. That's the only thing. It says it is, but
I'm
like,
gonna
I gotta double check
make
later.
this recording the worst thing for Cactus ever.
Please don't.
I mean, you could stop real quick and use that as a test run.